Hello, my name is Romeo Bandini. I'm iPack Managing Director, and I've been here in the UAE since 2016 when we started this project. We started this factory from what they call here a brown field instead of a green field, since it was all sand before. And now we are, I would say, a very successful startup. Actually, we are not anymore a startup. We are considered a middle, if not almost a big enterprise. And we export 80% or even more than 80% of our products, mainly in the MENA, Middle East, North Africa, and Asian region. It has been a very interesting journey to basically start from the foundations, from when we were actually piling up to the expansion and today to the consolidation of our business. We produce aseptic packaging for liquid products, mainly for milk, for juices and tomato, but also other food products. And today our main advantage is actually flexibility and quality. Flexibility because we use the latest technologies in printing with 7-color separation or extended color gamut that allow us to be more flexible when we compose our orders, when we put them in production, when we do the co-printing, and it helps us to be more efficient by reducing the number of setups. At the same time, having adopted a CI press make our printing more precise, more beautiful than our competition that have different technology. Uteco in this journey has been extremely supportive. I mean, we chose Uteco contrary to other producers in our sector because we believed in their technology. We believed in this CI technology, and at the same time we believed in their support. And I have to say that we are very happy with that choice. We started with an Onyx machine, so a basic machine that covered our initial needs, and then we already invested in 2021 in a second line. This time we chose a diamond machine because we wanted to go further. We wanted even higher speeds and maintain the same quality. And I have to say we are very happy with both. The Uteco team has demonstrated to be very flexible, very adaptive, and very competitive.